Now, these rocks I just got, they were like $5 a bag. But around my neighborhood, they like 40, 50,000 for a bag of rocks.
Then get up, get dressed.
So far behind. I am so far behind. I got to get out of here. I got so many things I have to do. I have to make it to the dentist. I have to go by the bank. I have to get gas. I have to go by the furniture store. My goodness, I got to pay bills. And the thing about it is, I'm running late to the dentist. So thank God I made this hairpiece, guys. Thank God I made that. Now usually this bottle gonna spray till it can't spray no more. So I'm gonna take y'all with me today to where I have to go. I'm gonna try to take y'all with me to some of the places I have to go. And see what y'all think. Oof, I'm running late. So yeah, today, I don't know why I'm doing this. Yes, I do. Because everything, I can't find nothing. This is a Big Papa. Usually I use my olive oil, Echo Styling Gel on this. But like I said, I'm in a rush. So I gotta go by the hardware store, all that. Y'all been watching the videos, y'all seen I broke down that dresser. And I just want to put it in some of those big plastic bags. So I'm just gonna throw on anything to get ready to walk up out of this house. Today I crocheted my hair through the front so that the hairline wouldn't look so thick. So that's how I was able to, you know, make it look lighter. Ooh, I'm so late, I can't even do my makeup. So, all right, guys, this is what I'm wearing today. I got to get out of here. We're about to go to the dentist. Hopefully I can. The first thing I got to do is go get some gas, guys. My reserve light came on yesterday, but I had got all off into doing everything that I said, oh, I get up early in the morning and go get me some gas, and enough times I won't be late. God, I didn't put on my lashes. The only thing I did was my brow. But the hair turned out real good. We got so much stuff we got to do today, so many stops we got to make. I need to get one of those little folders so that I remember everything. Let me get my sunscreen. I'm trying to test out this room and see if this way I want to have this desk. Let me just go. All right, guys, let's go. All right, guys, I have made it to the gas station. I'm filling up now. Guys, I'm telling you, ever since I got this cup, I have been drinking my water, taking this cup everywhere with me, guys. I love it. And to refill it, I got this right here to just fill it up when it runs out. And that's cold. And then when that run out, I got this right here to put over my ice. I'm going to keep getting my water, guys. I'm going to keep getting my water. Okay. I think that's enough gas right there. It's finna stop. So, after we leave here, I'm going straight to the dentist's office. Let me go get this. Whew. Okay, we got the gas. And guys, I'm telling you, I haven't driven my car in a minute. All right, guys, so we got the gas, and now I am on my way over here to the dentist's office. This lady driving behind me so fast, guys. She's basically in my trunk, so I can't make any sudden moves or any sudden stops, because if I do, she gonna be in my trunk. She is going to be in my trunk. So basically, I have to go to Home Depot. I have to go to the bank, Home Depot, the furniture store, return some paint. I got to get some Q-tips too, guys. What else? It's so much I got to do. It is so much I got to do. I'm forgetting about it already. Oh, I got to pick up some hair. Guys, yes, because I'm telling you, this right here, I don't have no more Big Papa. I don't even know how Big Papa is going to act, you know, on my hair. Hope y'all can see that. I don't even know how Big Papa is going to act on my hair. But, you know, I like it when it's curly. If it curls up, okay, fine. I have to get some deodorant for my car because we already have our makeup bag in our car. So really, I don't have to carry a purse. But guys, let me tell you, I went to TJ Maxx and got me a purse. It's a 9 West purse. And I'm telling you guys, this has spoiled me. This has spoiled me because I don't have to go in my purse to get what I want. You hold your other stuff in this purse, but it has side pockets, to whereas if you don't want to unzip your purse and you need to just get access to your keys or your glasses real quick, it's got 2 side pockets on the side, and then it zips up right here. I will never, I ain't gonna say never because you're never supposed to say never. I will never, I just did it again. I will always be mindful to buy me a purse with outside, you know, pockets, period. Guys, yesterday I got rid of that big old jalopy in my room, that dresser. I kept the top, but now I have 2 tables in there. I have my, and I got to get a vanity mirror. I got to get me a new vanity mirror. So it's a lot of things. And I got to stop by the store and get a set of dishes for me and my family, because the ones that I have now, they all cracking and chipping and stuff. And I hate that I left that 16-piece at the store, and it was only $22, guys. It was $22, and it was a beautiful stone like set for $22, and I left it being cheap. But that's okay. I have a lot that I have to do today, guys, so let's just get it. Let's hit this dentist's office. Okay, basically I want to talk to the young ladies. Guys, look, I am well into my 50s, late 50s, and if you don't start taking care of yourself early, it is going to show up. You know, you don't think about it until, you know, you get like my age. Really, a lot of, you know, young ladies or even men don't think about it. You just out here partying and this and that and this and that. All that is going to catch up to you, because as you get older, things slow down, your metabolism slow down, and you know, if you rough on it in the first place with a lot of drinking and partying and being promiscuous, trust me, all of that is going to show up on you. So, you know, sometimes when I look at myself and see where I am physically, I'm glad that I was mindful of taking care of myself. Now, y'all know I just came from doing a mammogram, getting a biopsy, and now I'm on my way over here to the dentist's office. But another thing I do is take care of my skin. Now, lately I've been so busy. For a minute I've been busy, guys, but everything is coming together. My house is coming together, my backyard is coming together, and like I said, now I am really wanting to finish decorating my house and everything, because now it's time for me to sit down and enjoy it. You know, I don't want to be just decorating forever. I want to be able to enjoy my house. So, you know, I'm paying attention to what vitamins is good for me, which ones aren't. And you got to pay attention to all of that. So I'm telling you, yes, ma'am. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. And, you know, you can enjoy life without abusing yourself. Okay? I told y'all, guys, I'm forever in the white people neighborhood. I ain't trying to get no ticket. I need to stay my butt from over here. How you doing? At the dentist. All right, so they're looking at my x-ray and they're gonna tell me what is going on. I hope it's nothing too tragic. But I made it. I made it to the dentist on time. And the other thing that I have to go do today, guys, is vote. I am going to go vote today. Yep. Got my card and everything right here. It's time to make this happen. All right, guys. I'm sucking my teeth. They did a good job. They did a good job. My teeth feel amazing. They look good. And now it's off to the next destination, whichever one comes first. I think I'm going to go over here and get this plate set for my family. I have to run to the bank. I got to go to Home Depot. I got to go vote. So, yeah, let's get to the next destination. All right, so I'm gonna look for some more rocks. What I am gonna do is look for some more rocks because I need some more rocks in the front of my house. But I want some pretty ones. These are river pebbles, but ooh, pond pebbles. How much they want for the pond pebbles? These will look nice in my front yard, and they're not as. I think I'm gonna get a few bags of these. And they're not as light, because I don't want something that's gonna blow away. I think I'm gonna get a few bags of these. Yeah. All right, this is what I needed. I needed some of these, and they on sale too. Yeah, so let's keep going. I gotta get some weed killer and some grass killer. That's what I ended up getting. All of this. I need some potting soil for my plants outside, and I'm gonna put some rocks in the front of my house. So guys, I am out enjoying myself and everything, and I just came from Home Depot trying to find this PVC pipe so I can make me some floor candle holders. And when I was in the bathroom, my hair fell to the front. So you know what your girl gonna do? I am going to now have a bang. Now I am going to always have a bang. Y'all know I don't wear hair on my forehead because my forehead break out. But for now, guys, I'm liking this hair to the front. You know what? I am about to go get me some hair. Some more of this hair. And I am going to get, I'll probably get like 3 bundles now because I want to have a hair piece that I can wear every day, which will be this one since I know that, you know, since I done had it already. And then one for when I am ready to go hit the streets and be cute. But one that I can just keep on and wear every day. This is going to be that one. Only thing I'm doing is putting pins right there, guys, to keep my bang, you know, together. And yeah, let's just go get the hair and see if they have some 1B, maybe 33, or some 1B 33. I think that'd be good. You know, they didn't have a lot of it when I went there last time, so I'm hungry. You know, that's one thing about being out here in these streets. I cannot come out here in these streets without eating. So I need to get my butt home. I just pick up my other stuff some other day. But look how cute that is, guys. Let me stop. Now, these rocks I just got, they were like $5 a bag. But around my neighborhood, they like 40, 50,000 for a bag of rocks. But over here, in the white folks area, $5. You seen it was like $4.97. I just came back from the beauty supply, bought me a whole bunch of these socks, guys. I bought me a whole bunch of these type of socks because this is what I go work out in. And so I got me a whole bunch of these if my son would leave them alone. And then, like I said, just came from the beauty supply, got some more hair. They did not have the color that I wanted because I wanted to do some like ombre-ish, reddish. So I just got one B30 and one B. So I am going to fill this in. At first I was going to lengthen it, guys, just to show y'all how to lengthen it. I really don't know if I'm going to do that. So the hair that I have now, I am just going to add a little color to this. And now, you know, and then with the rest of the hair, I will just make another wig. So now I am on my way to the bank and take care of that business because I got to pay some bills, guys. Got to pay some bills. I am trying my hardest. I am trying my hardest not to eat out here in these streets, guys, but I have a taste for a Whopper. I have a taste for a hamburger, guys. I really do. But now I'm on my way to the bank.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess. It's you, my favorite bit.